The Sharp SW-165HT is a semi-automatic miter cutting bandsaw, which integrates many fine features to perform smooth and accurate cutting. The saw frame can be swiveled from 0 to 60 degrees, allowing the machine to perform angle cutting. The angle of the saw frame is easy to change through the precision pivot system. When the saw frame is set at 0 degrees, the machine will provide cutting capacity of 16.5-inch diameter round stock and 15 by 25.6-inch diameter rectangular stock. The blade speed is controlled by an inverter, providing variable speed change with a range of 66 to 330 feet per minute. This enables the machine to cut various types of materials. Vise clamping and unclamping is conveniently controlled from the control panel without the need of manual positioning of the vise. Once cutting is finished, the saw head will automatically raise to a preset height for the next cut. The carbide blade guides enable the blade to run with high straightness accuracy. They also ensure blade stability and extend the life of the blade. Hydraulic blade tensioning allows the blade to automatically maintain correct tension. This provides proper tension to the blade when the machine is turned on. Blade tension is released when the machine is turned off, helping to extend the blade life. During cutting, the powered wire brush removes the chips from the blade teeth. It keeps the blade clean for high cutting efficiency and extends the blade life as well.